This morning, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in fact in Kolkata today to kickstart his election campaign in West Bengal. He will be addressing his first election rally in Kolkata's Brigade Parade Ground this afternoon. This is his first rally since the announcement of the election dates. So clearly the poll bugle being sounded by the Bharatiya Janata Party here in Bengal. A big political showdown, in fact, in poll-bound West Bengal is expected. Prime Minister is all set to stage a massive rally in Kolkata's iconic Brigade Parade Ground in Kolkata. In fact, this afternoon he will arrive at the Kolkata airport at around 1 this afternoon and then address the crowd at 2 p.m. The BJP is expecting a massive footfall at the event. Kailash Vijayvargiya, in fact, personally handed over invitations to the people in Kalighat in Kolkata for the Prime Minister's mega show of strength. He's the Bengal BJP in charge. Now also, speculations are rife over actor Mithun Chakraborty joining the Saffron Party. Sources have revealed that he will share the stage with Prime Minister Modi and will also make a short speech before the PM's arrival. Mithun has also expressed a desire to campaign for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming elections.
मिथुन दा से मेरी बात हुई है टेलीफोन पे। वो कलकत्ता में आने के बाद मुझसे बात करेंगे जब भी मैं कुछ बोलने की स्थिति में रहूँगा। पर हाँ, उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री जी से मिलने की इच्छा व्यक्त की।
मिथुन चक्रवर्ती শহরে চলে আসছেন, আজকে ব্রিগেডে থাকবেন উনি নিজে বলেছেন। তিনি কি বিজেপির মুখ্যমন্ত্রী পদপ্রার্থী?
আসলে বিজেপি জয়েন তো করুন আগে, আমার জানা নেই কি। আমি শুনেছি নাকি প্রধানমন্ত্রীর সঙ্গে দেখা করতে চান, এর বেশি জানা নেই আমার।
तैयारियों में बहुत दिनों से अपने लगे हुए हैं। हाँ। और ये समावेश जो है अपने लिए तो एक पर्व की तरह है।
पर्व है?
हाँ, पर्व की तरह है, खुशी है, एकदम हर्षोल्लास है सारे कार्यकर्ताओं में। हाँ। और ये जो ब्रिगेड मैदान में आज तक ममता जी का भी ब्रिगेड मैदान हुआ, इसके पहले जनसलाब हुआ, इसके बाद उसके अनुसार 2 से 3 गुना भीड़ यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलेगा।
कांग्रेस का कोई अस्तित्व ही नहीं है बंगाल में। हाँ। कुछ नहीं है।
लेफ्ट का
बीजेपी आई सब मोदी जी को मांग रहा है और किसी को नहीं मांग रहा है। हाँ? सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका।
My colleague Suryagni Roy is now joining me live from the Brigade Parade Ground in Kolkata. Suryagni, the BJP party workers and cadres have already started gathering at the Brigade Parade Ground in anticipation of that mega rally at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Give us a sense of the arrangements on the ground and the enthusiasm among the BJP party workers and supporters to hear Narendra Modi speak.
Well, Pauline, ever since morning we are over here at the Brigade Parade Ground, and what we have seen and what we have understood is that multiple, BJP supporters of various districts are pouring in ever since morning. We spoke to many of them, some from North Bengal, some from South Bengal, some from Central Bengal. They are pouring in, and there's a lot of enthusiasm. They're looking forward to the public speeches that the leaders will make, especially Narendra Modi. There's also a sense of curiosity with the fact that how will someone like Mithun Chakraborty will be, what he'll be doing when he hits the stage with Narendra Modi. There have been speculations whether he'll be joining or not, but we have confirmation that he will be arriving, and there has been a huge, enthusiasm of the fact that not only Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be here, but they will also get to see their favorite superstar, that is Mithun Chakraborty, sharing the dais with Narendra Modi. Whether or not Mithun Chakraborty will join BJP, that is something only time can say. But the enthusiasm on ground since morning has been extremely, extremely high. Back to you, Pauline.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.